Quake Alert USA. The Quake Alert USA app will alert you that an earthquake has occurred and will send a push alert to your mobile device. This alert includes information about the expected shaking intensity at your location and the time until the expected shaking, along with a message instructing you to drop, cover, and hold on. Warning times can range from 10 to 60 plus seconds depending on the location, depth, and magnitude of the earthquake's epicenter. The Quake Alert app uses data provided by the USGS and Shake Alert. This app is an official pilot created in partnership with the U.S. Geological Survey and should be considered a beta product with no implied guarantees. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, remember to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye for now.